Hey guys, today let's learn how to create an image in Leonardo AI. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to do this and create your own images on Leonardo AI. So please, if you want to find out, please watch until the end to learn how. Okay, so the first step is to go ahead, of course, and launch the Leonardo AI website. So I'm going to go ahead and basically type in leonardo.ai on my web browsers. And then I'm going to tap on Launch App. And what that is going to do is it's going to take me to their dashboard. As you see here, if you want to go ahead and create your own images on Leonardo AI, all we need to do is to go ahead, of course, and tap right here on AI Image Generation. And then from here, all we need to do next is to basically search for a prompt or type a prompt. So all we need to do is to go ahead and choose the preferred style. You could go ahead choose a custom model, choose Leonardo Creative if you want, and also choose a style right here. All we need to do next is to basically now enter the prompt, and then from here, all we need to do is to basically type in the image. Let's just choose maybe Mac Miller on an iPhone 14 Pro Max. And then let's go ahead and tap on generate, and then just wait for it to be generated. Of course, once this is all done, it's going to show us our results, and basically that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you have learned something. And of course, I'm going to show you the results. As you see right here, we have our results. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one, and take care.